Good morning, children. It's nice to meet you again. I hope you're all safe and sound at home. Shall we say the prayer? Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For yours is the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. God bless you all, children. Take care.
Hi children. Today I am going to teach you second standard maths. Today we are going to learn Unit 2 patterns. In that, now we are going to see 2.1 patterns in numbers. The keywords are rule, விதிமுறைகள், arrange, முறைப்படுத்துதல், order, வரிசைப்படுத்துதல். First, let us recall children. Observe and complete the patterns in numbers. Children, observe the patterns in each row and find the next number. Look at the numbers on the ants. 9, 8, 7. Children, are you able to find the number pattern here? The numbers are arranged in descending order pattern. That is, numbers from the biggest to the smallest. We can also call it as backward pattern. Now, to complete this pattern, what are the numbers we have to write here? We have to write 6 here. Children, what number comes before 7? Yes, number 6. Now you tell me, what number comes before 6? Yes, number 5. So write 5 here. Next, what number comes before 5? 4. So write number 4 here. Next, look at the numbers on the rats. 2, 4, 6. Children, are you able to find the number pattern here? The second pattern is even number pattern. What are the even numbers? The even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So what we have to write here? Yes, very good children. We have to write 8 here. Next, what we have to write here? We have to write 10. Very good. Next, we have to write 12. Next, we have to write 14. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are the even numbers. Now, look at the numbers on the frogs. 1, 3, 5. Are you able to find the number pattern here? The third pattern is odd number pattern. What are the odd numbers? The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. So what we have to write here? Yes children, we have to write 7 here. Next, what we have to write here? We have to write number 9 here. Here we have to write number 11. Here we have to write number 13. And here we have to write 15. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 are the odd numbers.
Next, let us learn. Find the rule and complete the patterns. Look at the numbers on the kangaroos. 20, 21, 22, 23. Children, see, here the rule is we have to add 1 with the given numbers to find the next number. Shall we start writing the numbers? 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. Now tell me children, 23 plus 1 is equal to 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 plus 1, 27. Next, look at the numbers on the tigers. 38, 37, 36, 35. Children, see, here the rule is we have to subtract 1 from the given number to find the next number. Shall we start writing the numbers? 38 minus 1 is equal to 37. 37 minus 1, 36. 36 minus 1, 35. 35 minus 1, yes, 34. 34 minus 1, 33. 33 minus 1, 32. Now subtract 1 from this 32. Tell me the answer children. Yes, 31. Right, 31. Next 31 minus 1. You have to tell the answer. 31 minus 1, 30. Next, look at the numbers on the cats. 50, 49, 47, 46, 44. Children, see, here the rule is first we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Next we have to subtract 2. Again we have to subtract 1. Again we have to subtract 2. Shall we start writing the numbers? 50 minus 1 is equal to 49. 49 minus 2 is equal to 47. 47 minus 1 is equal to 46. 46 minus 2 is equal to 44. Children, now tell me which number we have to subtract from this 44? Yes, we have to subtract 1 from this 44. So write minus 1 here. 44 minus 1, 43. Now, which number we have to subtract from this 43? See the rule and tell me. Yes, now we have to subtract 2 from this 43. So, write minus 2 here. 43 minus 2, 41. Right, 41 here. Now we have to subtract 1 from this 41. So write minus 1 here. 41 minus 1 is equal to 40. Now which number we have to subtract from this 40? Yes, we have to subtract 2. So write minus 2 here. So 40 minus 2 is equal to 38. Now we have to subtract 1 from this 38. So write 1 here. 38 minus 1 is equal to 37. Next, look at the numbers on the deer. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. Children, see. Here the rule is, first we have to add 2. Then we have to add 1. Again we have to add 2. Then we have to add 1. Like this, we can find the next number. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Children, now tell me, what number we have to add to find the next number? Yes, we have to add 2 with the 7 to find the next number. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now, what number we have to add with this 9 to find the next number? Look at the rule and tell me. Yes, we have to add 1 with this 9 to get the next number. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Next, what number we have to add with this 10 to get the next number? Plus 2. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Next, we have to add 1 with this 12. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Now look at the rabbits. There are no numbers on them. But see here, the rule is we have to add 1 and find the next number. Children, shall we start this pattern with number 5? Write 5 here. Now apply the rule. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now, what number we have to add with this 6 to get the next number? Yes, we have to add 1. So, write 1 here. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Next 7. Yes, plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12.
Next, let us do an activity. Count and write the number of eye sticks and complete the patterns using the rules. Children, first let us count and write the number of eye sticks in this box. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, are you able to find the rule for this pattern? We have to follow two rules. First rule is we have to add 2 with all the numbers repeatedly. And the second rule is we have to draw the eye stakes in the given pattern. First, let us see the numbers. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to, children, what comes next to the number 8? When we add 2 with that, yes, 10. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So here we have to draw 10 sticks. Now look at the sticks from the beginning. For the number 2, first left slanting stick, next right slanting stick. For number 4, first left slanting stick, next right slanting stick, next right slanting stick, next left slanting stick. Now for number 6, left slanting stick, right slanting stick, right slanting stick, left slanting stick, left slanting stick, right slanting stick. Next for number 8, left slanting stick, right slanting stick, right slanting stick, left slanting stick, left slanting stick, right slanting stick, next right slanting stick, left slanting stick. Children, shall we start drawing the eye sticks for number 10? From which side we have to start? Look at the first one and tell me. Yes, we have to start from the left slanting stick. Left slanting stick. Right slanting stick. Right slanting stick. Left slanting stick. Left slanting stick, right slanting stick, right slanting stick, left slanting stick, next left slanting stick, right slanting stick. Now count the lines. Let us count the sticks, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sticks here. Now look at the second sum. Count the sticks and write in the boxes. How many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3. Write 3 here. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5 here. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 here. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 here. Children, are you able to find the rule for this pattern? We have to follow 2 rules here. First rule is we have to add 2 with all the numbers repeatedly. Second rule is we have to draw the eye sticks in the given pattern. First, let us see the numbers. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Children, so what comes next to the number 9 when we add 2 with that? 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now, look at the sticks from the beginning. For number 3, first, right slanting stick, left slanting stick. Children, for number 3, first, right slanting line, left slanting line. Children, what line is this? Do you remember? This is a horizontal line. Next, for number 5, right slanting line, left slanting line, horizontal line, horizontal line, right slanting line. For number 7, first right slanting line, next left slanting line, next horizontal line, again horizontal line, right slanting line, left slanting line, horizontal line. For number 9, first right slanting line, left slanting line, horizontal line, again a horizontal line, right slanting line, left slanting line, a horizontal line, again a horizontal line, right slanting line. Next, for number 11, we have to draw lines in these patterns. Children, from which side we have to start drawing the lines? First, we have to start from right slanting line, left slanting line, a horizontal line, again a horizontal line, right slanting line, left slanting line, a horizontal line, again a horizontal line, right slanting line, left slanting line, a horizontal line. Now count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 lines here. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Look at the third sum, children. First, let us count and write the number of lines in the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 13 here. Children, are you able to find the rule for this sum? Yes, again we have to follow two rules here. First rule is we have to add 3 with all the numbers repeatedly. The second rule is we have to draw the lines in the given patterns. First, let us see the numbers. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to dash. Children, what we have to write here? What is 13 plus 3? Yes, 16. Right? 16 here. Now, look at the lines from the beginning. For number 4, a horizontal line. What line is this? This is a vertical line. Again, a horizontal line. Again, a vertical line. For number 7, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line. For 10, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, again a horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. For number 13, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, again a horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line, again a horizontal line, vertical line, a horizontal line. Children, now let us start to draw lines for number 16. Shall we start? A horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, again a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, again a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, again a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line. Now count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Look at the fourth sum, children. First, let us count and write the number of lines in the boxes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write 12 here. Children, are you able to find the rule for this sum? Yes. We have to follow two rules here. First rule is we have to add 3 with all the numbers repeatedly. The second rule is we have to draw the lines in the given pattern. First, let us see the numbers. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to dash. Children, 12 plus 3 is equal to? Yes, 15. Right? 15 here. Now, look at the lines from the beginning. For number 3, a horizontal line, a left slanting line and a right slanting line. For number 6, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, a right slanting line, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, right slanting line. For number 9, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, a right slanting line, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, right slanting line, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, right slanting line. For number 12, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, a right slanting line, a horizontal line, left slanting line, right slanting line, a horizontal line, left slanting line, right slanting line, a horizontal line, left slanting line, right slanting line. Children, now shall we draw the lines for number 15? A horizontal line, a left slanting line, a right slanting line, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, right slanting line, a horizontal line, a left slanting line, right slanting line, a horizontal line, left slanting line, right slanting line, a horizontal line, left slanting line, right slanting line. Now count the lines, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Children, in this sum, the ice sticks are arranged in square shape. In this sum, the ice sticks are arranged in triangle shape. Children, you have to copy these sums in your textbook. Next, let us practice. Find the rule and write them in each of the pattern given below. First, read the given numbers, children. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now tell me, which rule we have to follow for this sum? 41 plus 1 is equal to 42. When we add 1 with this 41, we get the answer 42. Again, we have to add 1 with this 42. So, we get 43. 42 plus 1 is equal to 43. Again, we have to add plus 1 with this 43. So, we get the answer 44. 43 plus 1 is equal to 44. Again, we have to add 1 with this 44. So, we get the answer 45. 44 plus 1 is equal to 45. Look at the second sum. First read the numbers. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. Children, now tell me, which rule we have to follow for this? Yes, for this pattern we have to follow -1. Now check children, 39 minus 1 is equal to 38. Again we have to subtract 1 from this 38. So we get 37. 38 minus 1 is equal to 37. 37 minus 1 is equal to 36. 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. Children, do these two sums as your homework. Pleasure time. Write the number patterns for the given instructions. First one, the last number is 21. The first number is 13. Write the rule. Children, this is the number line from 10 to 25. With the help of this number line, we can find the rule for the sum. Now, 13 dash 15. Children, what number we have to add with number 13 to get the answer 15? Look at this number line and tell me. We have to add 1, 2. 2 with this 13 to get the answer 15. So write plus 2 here. Now to get the answer 17, what number we have to add with 15? Look at the number line. 1, 2. We have to add 2 with number 15 to get the answer 17. So write plus 2 here. Now, to get the answer 19, what number we have to add with the number 17? Look at the number line and tell me. 1, 2. We have to add 2 with the number 17 to get the answer 19. So, write plus 2 here. Now, to get the answer 21, what number we have to add with number 19? We have to add 1, 2. 2 with number 19 to get the answer 21. So write plus 2 here. Now tell me children, what is the rule for this pattern? Yes, we have to add 2 repeatedly. Next, look at the second sum. The pattern begins with 39. The pattern begins with 39. The next number is 3 less than the previous number. Children, the next number is 3 less than the previous number. Children, this is the number line from 20 to 40. Using this number line, we are going to find the rule for this sum. Children, the question is, the pattern begins with 39. So, write 39 here. 39. The next number is 3 less than the previous number. The next number is 3 less than the previous number. Children, what is 3 less than 39? Look at this number line. 1, 2, 3. So 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. Write minus 3 here. 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. Next, what is 3 less than 36? Look at this number line. 1, 2, 3. 36 minus 3 is equal to 33. So write minus 3 here and write 33 in this box. 36 minus 3 is equal to 33. What is 3 less than 33? Look at the number line. 1, 2, 3. 33 minus 3 is equal to 30. So write minus 3 here. 33 minus 3 is equal to 30. Next, what is 3 less than 30? Look at the number line. 1, 2, 3. 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. So write minus 3 here. 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. Next, read it out some children. The middle number in the pattern is 45. Children, which is the middle? Yes, this is the middle. We have to write 45 here. The number previous to it is 40. The number previous to it is 40. So write 40 here. Previous means the before number. Children, this is the number line from 35 to 55. Using this number line, we are going to find the rule for this pattern. The middle number in this pattern is 45 and the previous number is 40. Now look at this number line. Children, what number we have to add with this 40 to get the answer 45? Look at the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have to add 5 with 40 to get the answer 45. So write plus 5 here. 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. Now, what number we have to add to get the next number? Yes, we have to add plus 5. That is 45 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. Next, what is 50 plus 5? Write plus 5 here. What is 50 plus 5? Look at the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55. 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. Right? 55 here. Children, what is the rule in this pattern? Yes, we have to add 5 repeatedly, isn't it? So, write plus 5 here. Now tell me, what number we have to add with this 5 to get the answer 40? Let us check with the number 38. 1, 2. Children, but the rule is plus 5. So, we can choose number 35. Now check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. The answer is 40. So we can select 35 plus 5 is equal to 40. So we have to write 35 in this box. Next, draw sticks to continue the pattern. See here children, the first box, there is a vertical line. In the second box, there are 2 horizontal lines. In the third box, there are 3 vertical lines. In the fourth box, there are 4 horizontal lines. Now tell me, which line we have to draw here? Horizontal line or a vertical line? Yes, you are right. We have to draw vertical line. How many lines we have to draw here? The sticks are increasing in number. That is, here it is 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. Now we have to draw 5 vertical lines. So draw like this children. Next, how many lines we have to draw here? Yes, we have to draw 6 lines. We have to draw horizontal line or vertical lines? Yes, horizontal lines. Draw like this children. Next, try this. Draw the missing black keys in a pattern. Look at the keys children. There are 2 keys here. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 keys. Again we have 1, 2 keys. Now tell me, how many keys we have to draw? Yes, we have to draw 3 keys here. Children, draw the keys like this. Today we have learnt from page number 20 to 23. I request all of you to write down all the exercises neatly in your textbook. Let's meet you all in the next class. Thank you children.